Hey, what is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping, and thank you for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that stopping by, share time with me here on the channel. Now, today's video, as you can see, we have all this overgrowth, all this stuff here. We are actually at my house right here, but we're going to be putting the Kombi system to work, getting this all cleaned up. Usually like once or twice a year. Early spring I'll hit it, and then here towards the fall time I'll hit it again. Let's get this elevated cut back so we have our little walkway here. Got the Kombi system out. We're going to put the camera up, and we're just going to get this all cleaned up and cut back, because as you can see, this needs cleaned up. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, guys, so there you can see it so much better. I'll actually be able to get my little 36 stander back through here now. Instead of having to weed eat all this, I'll be able to just cruise at 36 right behind here and get this mowed down. This doesn't really grow that much, just because it gets like a little bit of sun and then that's it. Just because we have shade here, then once the sun gets over the house, we don't really get too much back here. So but I don't really worry about this too much. I don't really want it to grow that quick, be honest. That way I don't have to continually be back here mowing and everything. I'll walk you down right through here so we can see how much more it opened up. Alrighty, guys, so that is going to be it for this video. There you saw it, the STIHL Kombi system with the articulating hedge trimmer in action. knocking this down with ease. Now, my question for you is, when you do stuff like this, what is your weapon of choice? Do you have the Echo PAS system with the hedge trimmer? Are you a STIHL Kombi fan? What would be your weapon of choice to tackle a job like this? Let me know down in the comments below. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so that way you get a notification every time I drop a video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and guys, as always, remember to what you love what you do, but never stop. Guys, we will see you in the next one.